Hello viewers and good listeners. I am going to teach you about the modals. You must have read out the word modals. Modal means the model of anything. But we are not going to take any other model except verbs. Modals, verbs, imdadi fail. And here we are going to start learning from the board. Modals, verbs. Imdadi fail. Now we go to the verbs, helping verbs like can, shall, will, may, might, ought, used to. These are supposed to be used in the spoken English, and it has got very important place or prominent place while you are talking with the people, talking English with the people. Can, could is the past tense of can. Shall, should, will, would, may, might. Here you are supposed to make a sentence with can. I can speak English. मैं English बोल सकता हूँ. In present. I can speak English well. I can speak English fluently. Now we go to the past tense. I could speak English well. I could speak English fluently. सकता था. मैं English बेहतर तरीके से बोल सकता था. Shall, गागेगी, futurity. In a future tense, you use the word shall and will. Shall, should. Shall, should. Will, would. I shall go to school. I will go to school. I should go to school. I would go to school. Shall is used for in Urdu for गागेगी. I shall go to school. मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा. You will go to school. तुम स्कूल जाओगे. Should has got another meaning. Should मैंने चाहिए. Would का मतलब भी इसकी एंडिंग में गागेगी है. I should speak English in the classroom. मुझे क्लासरूम में इंग्लिश बोलनी चाहिए. I would speak English in the classroom means मैं क्लासरूम में इंग्लिश बोलूँगा. गागेगी. May. You may come in. May I come in, teacher? सकना. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? सकता हूँ. I might come on time. I might go to the party or attend the party. It might rain. इसका मतलब यहाँ उर्दू में गागेगी है. It might rain. बारिश होगी. गागेगी. Must means चाहिए. I must speak English. I must go to school. I must get up early in the morning. चाहिए. मुझे सुबह उठना चाहिए. Ought. Ought means चाहिए. I ought to attend the party. मुझे पार्टी अटेंड करनी चाहिए. Used to. Used to. Second form of the verb. In the past tense, it is always used. Used. I used to go to school at 9 o'clock. मैं 9 बजे स्कूल जाया करता था. It is always used in the past tense. Now I go to the modals, such like words used with ismr or was and were. Why we say I am able to, you are able to, he is able to, she is able to, it is able to, we are able to, you are able to, they are able to. Or in the past, I was able to, you were able to, he was able to, she was able to, it was able to, we were able to, you were able to, and they were able to. Now I go to the concept of able to. I am able to means I can. I am able to talk in English means I can talk in English. I was able to speak English means I could speak English. Can and could. Can and could is equal to is am are able to and was were able to. Now I go to the third point. Now I teach you the third part. I am two. You are two. He is two. You are supposed to use the first form of the verb in the infinitive. The first form of the verb. I am to go. You are to sing. He is to do his work properly. In the past tense, I was to come, they were to go. In Urdu, the concept of these two lines is मुझे करना है, मुझे करना है. I am to go, मुझे जाना है. You are to sing a song, तुम्हें गाना गाना है. He is to come, उसे आना है. He was to write a letter, उसे खत लिखना है. यानी हर सूरत में इसकी डेफिनेशन यही है उर्दू में. हर सूरत में आपको जो काम करना पड़ता है या चाहते हैं तो इसी तरह कहेंगे. आई वॉज टू राइट अ लेटर टू माई फादर. दे वर टू कम टू स्कूल ऑन टाइम. उन्हें आना था, मुझे खत अपने अब्बू को लिखना था. नाउ आई गो टू द पॉइंट 4. आई हैव टू लर्न इंग्लिश. मुझे इंग्लिश सीखनी है. इसका तर्जुमा यही हमेशा करेंगे. आई हैव टू डू माई वर्क प्रॉपरली. मुझे अपना काम अच्छी तरह से करना है. ही हैज टू लर्न इंग्लिश. उसे इंग्लिश सीखनी है. He had to, in the past tense, he had to write a letter to his father. उसने अपने अब्बू को खत लिखना था. Now I go to the point 5. Used to. As I have told you here, used to. As I have explained you, used to. Used to के दो माने हो सकती हैं. वो क्या है? I used to drive a car. मैं गाड़ी चलाया करता था. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द वर्ब कि आप यूज्ड टू के साथ कौन सा इन्फिनेटिव वर्ब लगाते हैं. यानी इन्फिनेटिव का मतलब यह है कि पहली फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब लगानी पड़ती है. एज आई हैव यूज्ड हियर. आई यूज्ड टू ड्राइव अ कार. आई यूज्ड to drive a car when I was 10 years old. मैं जब 10 साल का था तो मैं गाड़ी चलाया करता था. एक और जुमला देता हूं इसके साथ. There used to be a tree in the corner of this street. वहां एक दरख्त हुआ करता था. इसके दो माने हो गए. हुआ करता था भी मीनिंग होगा. दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द वर्ब. हाउ यूज द वर्ब. अगर आपके पास कुछ वर्ब चेंज हो जाते हैं तो इसके माने हुआ करता था. हमेशा पास्ट टेंस में हुआ करता था. हुआ करता है नहीं है. हुआ करता नहीं है, नहीं है, हुआ करता था. नाउ आई गो टू द Sixth point. Now I go to the point 6. As I have told you, ought. इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन ought, जल्दी बोलना है आपने. ought. ought के मानी मैंने बताए हैं चाहिए. Now I go to the sentence. I ought to learn English. मुझे इंग्लिश सीखनी चाहिए. ought के माने चाहिए. उन्हें वक्त पर आना चाहिए. उन्हें अपना काम अच्छी तरह से करना चाहिए. I ought to learn English means मैं इंग्लिश और मुझे इंग्लिश अच्छी तरह से सीखनी चाहिए या मुझे इंग्लिश सीखनी चाहिए. Dear students, I would like to instruct you. I want to give you the hints how to talk proper English with grammar. Grammatically, you must be good at English. You must be thinking Sir Joseph is just giving the small things which we know very well. But it's not true. The truth is this. You never use all these small, minor things and you don't practice it. You need practice. When I say as a drill, use these verbs, what I'm teaching you. I can speak more than as I am speaking now. You must be thinking, he is teaching very slowly. He is teaching the past things, very small things which we know already. But spoken English is different than to read from the grammar books. You teach your kids and learn all these things. When I am giving you the instruction, you tell your students, make sure that you follow the instructions what I have given you in this lesson. It's not easy. It's not easy at all. Not at all. Again, I am giving you giving you a piece of advice to follow these videos and learn more and more about the spoken English. Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye.